We use our voices every day to communicate with each other. Whether it's a casual chat with friends over coffee, a deep conversation with family members at home, or a quick exchange of words with a colleague at work, our voices are integral to our daily lives. Now we can use our voices to communicate with technology too. From asking a smart assistant to play our favorite song, to giving voice commands to control smart devices, our interaction with technology is evolving. This is changing how we interact with the world around us. Voice-activated devices are becoming a part of our everyday lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. Voice technology is becoming more common. We see smart speakers in our living rooms, voice assistants helping us with daily activities, and even voice commands being used in public spaces. We see it in our homes, cars, and even our pockets. Voice assistants are now a part of our mobile devices, making it easier to access information and perform tasks on the go. Remember when we used to only use keyboards to type commands into computers? Those days are fading fast as voice technology takes over. Those days are fading fast. Modern smart devices are replacing old technology, and voice assistants are becoming the new norm. Voice is quickly becoming the preferred way to interact with technology. People of all ages are embracing this hands-free, intuitive method of control. It's natural, it's intuitive, and it's hands-free. Whether you're cooking, multitasking, or simply want a more convenient way to interact with your devices, voice commands offer a seamless experience. This shift towards voice-first technology is what's driving the exciting field of voice user interface design. Designers and developers are working tirelessly to create more natural and intuitive voice interactions. This new era of interaction is all about making technology more accessible and user-friendly. Voice technology is bridging the gap, making it easier for everyone, from children to senior citizens, to use and benefit from modern devices. VUI design is at the heart of this revolution, shaping how we experience the power of voice technology. It's about creating interfaces that are not only functional but also enjoyable to use. It's about designing experiences that feel natural, intuitive, and effortless, just like talking to another person. This is the future of interaction, and it's already here. Voice user interface design is all about creating a conversation between humans and machines. It's about designing how a person interacts with a computer or device using just their voice. Think of it as designing a dialogue, where the user speaks and the device responds in a way that makes sense. VUI design is more than just recognizing words. It's about understanding the user's intent. It's about figuring out what the user wants to achieve and providing them with the best possible response. Good VUI design makes technology disappear. It allows users to interact with devices in a way that feels natural and effortless, just like talking to another human being. VUI design relies on a few key elements to make the conversation between humans and machines possible. Voice commands are the words or phrases that users speak to interact with the system. Feedback, on the other hand, is how the system responds to the user's commands. This could be a spoken response, a sound effect, or even a visual cue. The goal is to let the user know that their command has been heard and understood. Finally, natural language processing is the technology that allows machines to understand and interpret human language. It's what makes it possible for VUIs to understand the meaning behind the words and respond in a way that makes sense. Section 4. VUI in action. Familiar examples in our daily lives. We're already surrounded by examples of VUI in our daily lives. Think about the last time you asked Siri for directions or told Alexa to play your favorite song. These are all examples of VUI in action. Smart assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become commonplace in our homes, cars, and on our phones. They allow us to control our devices, access information, and perform tasks using just our voices. But VUI goes beyond smart assistants. It's also used in cars to control navigation and entertainment systems, in homes to control appliances and lighting, and even in healthcare to help people with disabilities. Section 5. The power of hands-free VUI in specific contexts. Imagine you're driving, your hands are on the wheel, and you need to make a phone call. In this situation, VUI becomes essential. It allows you to make that call without taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road, making driving safer and more convenient. This hands-free aspect of VUI is crucial in many other contexts as well. Think about cooking. where you might have your hands covered in flour, or exercising, where holding a device might not be feasible. VUI design allows us to interact with technology in a way that's natural and intuitive, even when our hands are busy or our eyes are occupied. Section 6. Designing for intuitiveness, the key to seamless VUI experiences. Effective VUI design is about more than just recognizing words. It's about understanding the user's intent and designing conversations that feel natural and intuitive. This involves creating a system that can interpret the nuances of human speech, including tone, context, and even pauses. This means crafting prompts that are clear and concise, ensuring that users know exactly what to do next without feeling overwhelmed or confused. Providing helpful feedback that guides the user is crucial. This feedback should be timely and relevant, helping users feel confident in their interactions. Anticipating potential errors is another key aspect. A well-designed VUI should be able to predict and correct mistakes, creating a seamless experience that feels almost magical. A well-designed VUI should feel like talking to a helpful assistant, someone who understands you and is there to make your life easier. It should not feel like a frustrating piece of technology that you have to wrestle with to get it to work. It should understand what you mean, even if you don't phrase it perfectly, capturing the essence of your request without needing exact words. And it should guide you through the interaction effortlessly, making the process feel smooth and intuitive. The goal is to make interacting with technology as easy and natural as possible, so that it becomes a seamless part of your daily routine. Removing any barriers and frustrations that might hinder the experience is essential. When done right, VUI can transform the way we interact with our devices, making technology feel more human. Section 7. The future of VUI, a world of voice-enabled possibilities. As voice technology continues to evolve, so too will the possibilities of VUI design. The advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning are pushing the boundaries of what voice interfaces can achieve. We can expect to see VUIs becoming even more sophisticated in their ability to understand and respond to human language, leading to more natural and intuitive interactions. This means that our devices will not only recognize our words, but also understand the context and nuances of our speech. Imagine a world where you can control your entire home with your voice, from adjusting the thermostat to turning on the lights, all without lifting a finger. Where your car understands your every command, making your driving experience safer and more convenient. Where you can access any information you need instantly, just by asking. Whether it's checking the weather, finding a recipe, or getting the latest news, voice technology will be there to assist you. The future of VUI is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and improvement. And as designers, it's our responsibility to shape this future in a way that benefits everyone. By creating intuitive and user-friendly interfaces, we can make technology more accessible and enjoyable for all. By focusing on accessibility, inclusivity, and user-centered design principles, we can ensure that no one is left behind in this technological revolution. We can create a world where technology is truly accessible to all, regardless of their abilities or technical expertise. This is the promise of voice-enabled possibilities, a future where everyone can benefit from the advancements in VUI technology.